And for the exact value, we have to work with known angles that give exact value. And as I mentioned before, we're going to be working with the two triangles. So we have the first triangle. The first triangle refers to angles of 30, 60 degrees. And the other triangles refer to 45 degrees. So anything that has an reference angle that is either 30 degrees, 60 degrees, or 45 degrees can be computed in exact value. The quadrantal angles, we can always compute the exact value because we use points on those terminal sides, and that's it. 0 degrees, 90 degrees, 180 degrees, and 270. We always can compute the exact value of all trigonometric functions, okay? In addition to this, the ones with 30 degrees from the triangle, 45 degrees, and 60 degrees also can be computed in exact value. For this, we use the triangles, right? So we use triangles, the ones that you see above. First terminal side of 315 degrees. So somewhere in the first quadrant, right, is beyond 270. So 270 here, this is 3/6. So somewhere in the fourth quadrant. So this is the angle alpha of 315 degrees. So alpha prime, notice that is with regard to the horizontal x. So what I'm gonna do, because I'm in the fourth quadrant, I'm not gonna use 180 because it makes no sense. I use 360, right? So I wanted this measure right here. So this is the reference angle. So I do 360 minus the angle of 315. 45 degrees. Thank you, Akira. So 45 degrees. Now, in the fourth quadrant, cotangent, which is the reciprocal of the tangent, you flip in the tangent to get the cotangent, also depends on x and y, both x and y. So in this quadrant here, the cotangent, which is x over y, and then you look at any point in that, you have a positive x value and a negative y value, which means the cotangent will be negative. So cotangent is some negative number. Okay, so we now know then the cotangent of 315 degrees is negative the cotangent of the reference angle, which is 45 degrees. Now we want to work on that reference angle 45 degrees. So there is a triangle that gives you the exact measures. So the triangle I'm going to write here in the corner. That's a good triangle. So 45 degrees. This is also 45 degrees. The opposite side of both 45 degrees is equals to 1, and the hypotenuse is square root of 2. But cotangent is, remember, 45, right? So is the adjacent of the triangle over the opposite sides. Both adjacent and opposite side is equals to 1. So this is 1 divided by 1, which is 1. So cotangent of 315 is negative 1.